Hello, everyone. Today we're discussing section 1.3, linear functions. We'll be going over problem number 1, number 2, and number 3 in this video. Let's look at how to find the slope from a graph. You see the 2 points indicated here, and you count up. 1, 2, 3, 4. I went up 4. And then from that point, you went right 1, 2, 3. You went right 3. So the slope would be 4/3. Let's check out the next graph. I start at the first point on the left and I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I went 6 down, which would be a -6. And I went to the right 1, 2, 3. That means the slope would be -6/3, which is a -2. Always simplify the slope. So here our slope is -2. Let's look at the next one. Start at the point to the left. Notice you're going down 1, 2. So you went down 2. And to the right, 1, 2, 3. So your slope is -2/3. Does that match with what we talked about with going up or down a hill? Yes, it does. This person walks up the hill, the slope is positive. These two people walk down a hill, the slope is negative. Let's check out problem number 2. Remember we discussed the slope. The slope, it's the rise over the run, change in y over x. The slope formula, you find that change by subtracting. You know when you're counting those squares, you're really just subtracting those two values. Let's try it. If I label this point x1, y1, and this point x2, y2, I can just plug it into the formula. My slope would be 11 minus a -1 over -10 minus a -2. 11 minus a -1 would be 12, 11 plus 1, and 10 minus a negative, so that'd be -10 plus 2, which is a -8. This means the slope would be a negative. Simplify, divide both by 4, so a -3/2. Now, can we put these points on the graph and see our slope on the graph? -2, -1, so first the x and then the y, and then -10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 right there. Now we can graph the line, and we can see that we're going down 3 over 2. Pretend that graph is just a perfect line, and you will see -3/2 is your slope. Great job. Let's try number 3. Find the slope of the line that goes through these 2 points, and then use the slope formula and verify on the graph. So the same thing, we can take 4 minus 9, so subtracting the y values, divided by 3 minus 2, subtracting the x values. 4 minus 9 is a -5. 3 minus 2 is 1. So the slope is -5. Then we can plot the points 2, 9, and 3, 4. And then draw your line. Pretend that that's a perfectly straight line. And what do you see? You go down 5 over 1, down 5 over 1. And your slope is a -5. We'll see you next time. Thanks.